Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Roblox where you can log into your account by clicking on login at the top right corner if you haven't done so already. Once you have been logged in and taken into the home page, in order to change your username, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now within the settings page, underneath account info, you will find your username. Click on the edit icon at the right side and you will need to spend 1000 currencies in order to change your username. If you don't have this, click on the buy option and once you buy this currency, you will be allowed to change your username. Just type in the username that you wish and then click on the change button and now your new username will be set right away. If you wish to change back your username, you will need to spend another 1000 Roblox currency. And there you have it. That is how you can change your username within Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.